This is the easiest way to start an online business from scratch in 2022 as a beginner. This video will show you how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month in 90 days with no experience. How do I know that this works? Well, this process has worked for hundreds of people that I shared this repeatable framework in a step-by-step format. So all you got to do is copy everything that I'm going to teach you inside of this video in a sequential order. So what's the easiest way about going about all of this? Find already established brands in your space and help them make more money. That is literally it. So there are plenty of established brands online that are already generating hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. So all you need to do is learn one skill and use that skill to make those brands more money. For example, if an Ecom brand is already doing $150,000 a month, there are already areas they are lacking in, which means they're bleeding extra revenue. Maybe they don't have TikTok set up properly. Maybe they don't have their emails set up properly. Either way, they're missing out on tens of thousands of dollars per month. If you have a skill that can patch up the hole in their business, not only will they pay you, they will go out of their way to pay you thousands of dollars a month to help make them more money. But how do you master these skills? How do you even reach these brands? How do you get them to pay you? That's exactly what we're going to cover in today's video. So buckle up. This video will change your life if you apply these things. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button, like literally right now. It takes 20 seconds. Scroll down really quickly, hop back up. Not even 20 seconds. It takes 2 seconds. I'm going to be uploading 2 videos every single week, teaching you exactly how to build your own dream business, get yourself out of debt, and protect yourself from this upcoming recession. So with that being said, let's dive in. What we're doing is creating a marketing agency. Like I mentioned before, these are brands, influencers, or business owners who pay you monthly retainers, which means recurring income on a monthly basis for a specific set of deliverable tasks that you do for them. So your job is to pick a skill, master it, and help these brands make more money with it. And you're gonna have to do a full outreach process. So what are the best skills you can learn right now that you can use and start raking in these agency clients? Well, here are the 5 that I recommend right now. Number 1 is a community curation and management agency. Number 2 is a TikTok organic agency. Number 3 is an email marketing for SaaS agency. Number 4 is a CRO, conversion rate optimization for Ecom or SaaS. SaaS is software as a service, by the way. And number 5 is a TikTok ads agency. If you can master one of these skills and learn how to reach these brands, you will have no problems making them more money, and they will have no problem paying you every single month for it. So let's break down exactly how you can start using this today from your laptop with $0. First off, you need to learn how to structure your agency so you can do all the things I've mentioned above efficiently. Every marketing agency is broken down into a few main things called buckets. Buckets are basically overall areas that have a few tasks in between that help you efficiently get results for a client. So let's look at the first bucket. It's called business foundations. So what does the foundations of your business look like? Well, imagine you're building a house. Your foundations of the house is the most important, so the rest of your entire house doesn't fall down. Same principle applies with your business. Your business's foundations is about creating a basic offer, creating a very strong positioning to stand out inside of the minds of your consumers and have a really cool outcome. What is this outcome you're selling? Next up is your target audience. Who are you going to be targeting over here? And then what is the skill you want to master according to your offer and your positioning? So let's take a look at what it looks like for a few examples of different agency offers. Number 1 would be a community agency. Who's this skill best suited for? If you're someone who's social, likes to build communities, knows how to keep people engaged, entertain, and provide value, then this skill is for you. Your positioning and your offer is, if you're doing a community management agency, it isn't just, hey, I'm going to create and manage a Discord server for you. No, it's making sure your clients are making more money without spending extra on paid ads. These clients will get loyal, active audiences and a community of people who believe in what you believe. That's your positioning. That's the offer. And that's the outcome you're delivering for the people. So how do you land your first client? Well, you want to work for free in exchange for a testimonial. You're not going to go and pay some kid $3,000 a month to do some work for you if they have no experience. No. Of course not. You want to go inside of your client's shoes here. If you have no experience, but you want the experience, work for free in exchange for a review, and you can use it to get more clients in the future. Next up is go to theutopia.io, utopia.io, and work for free for people in exchange over there for a case study. Now you have the offer, positioning, and your outcome. What do all the nitty-gritty skills actually look like? What are you actually offering for the client? Well, your offer is basically 4 things over here. You're setting up a community for them, you're managing a community for them, you're creating systems to have members stay active and engaged, and create strategies to grow the community and make sure everyone is satisfied. You need to come up with a list of deliverables you will provide for them, and that's basically what they are, those 4 things that you see above. Another example is an organic TikTok agency. Who is this skill best suited for? Well, if you're someone who spent a lot of time on TikTok and knows what works and how to go viral, even just how to keep an audience engaged, then this video is for you. What you're offering your clients, if you have a TikTok agency, is that you will scale their business with 0 extra ad spend. These clients don't have to pay for paid ads. They're going to go viral and have better profit margins, right? They sit back and relax while you bring in the new sales. The outcome is to create them a viral brand on TikTok so they can bring thousands and thousands of dollars of extra revenue on a monthly basis on autopilot. The skills you need to develop for an organic TikTok agency are recording content, writing scripts, posting content, coming up with viral strategies, and studying viral trends and applying them to your products. And the easiest way to land your first client, build your own TikTok account. Use that as a case study, or again, join theutopia.io and work for free for people and learn how to actually grow on TikTok with the strategies inside the actual platform. Number 3, let's go over an email marketing agency. Who's the skill best suited for? If you're someone who's great at writing, capturing the reader, and you think that you can write good emails, then this is for you. The offer, positioning, outcome for the skill will be telling your clients that you'll earn them an extra dollar amount every single month in revenue, but they're missing out on it right now. They're bleeding this extra revenue. On average, email marketing boosts revenue of an e-commerce brand by 30%. So if you're doing $100,000 and your emails aren't set up, you can make them an extra $30,000 a month. You're basically patching up the holes in their email system so they can maximize revenue and profit from their brand without the work and the hassle. The best target audiences for email marketing right now is e-commerce brands or softwares, and the actual skills that you're offering to the people, the actual deliverables that you're giving to the people, you're setting up email flows, you're setting up email campaigns, and you're collecting leads on their email list. It is that easy. If you want to see other agency offers, who to target, what you need to actually master, check out one of my older videos. It's going to be linked in the description below. It's going to teach you 8 winning agency offers that are in demand right now and breaks down every detail you need to know to actually start getting clients from those specific offers. Bucket number 2 is our prospecting and our close. What is prospecting? Simply put, prospecting is getting your offer in front of people's eyeballs so you can hop in a call with them and close them. It's that easy. What are some of the best ways to do this? Number 1 is cold emails. You could scrape leads from the internet and use tools like Contact Ecom. Send them a nice, high quality, personalized email and cold email them. Let them know what your offer is. Let them know about the outcome that they can get from your actual service. From that point, you book a call with them, show them even more reasons why they should work with you, and boom, you get a nice little client. Every 100 emails, you might get 30% of those people actually open. Out of those 30%, you might get 1 or 2 book calls, and then every 10 calls, you close a client. It's really that easy. It's just a number game. The important part here is having an offer they actually need and want and targeting the right people. If you want to learn more about sales calls, if you want to learn more exactly how to cold email, a repeatable process that has helped hundreds and hundreds of people all around the world, from 17-year-old kids, in fact, even 16-year-old kids, all the way to people who are over 50 years old, get clients using email marketing. Number 2 is Twitter and social media. What I do personally is I break down every single marketing strategy and I post it on Twitter across multiple different niches, right? This is basically myself creating social proof and getting people to trust me. I post 3 threads on a weekly basis of some sort of marketing strategy breakdown. I post 5 tweets on a daily basis of some sort of value and strategy breakdowns. And then every single week I go live on Twitter Spaces so I can go ahead and engage with my followers and go ahead and ask them questions. I'm basically building trust. I'm getting people to know who I am, even though I'm anonymous, and people come to me and reach out to me based off of my specific offers that I have in the link in my bio, and they want to work with me. I've closed deals for $3,000 to $10,000 without even hopping in a call because the trust was already built on the social media account. The goal here is to post every single day consistently. I haven't missed a day since February 14th of 2020, and I'm still getting closes and deals to this day because of it. Twitter is a long-term investment, but one of the greatest assets you can have. Now let's talk about bucket number 3, onboarding. Your goal here is to look efficient, show your client that you know what you're doing, and to impress them. This is when you close the deal. You want to take this client on, you want to onboard them, and you want to get them ready for the next steps of getting them the results. So you automate with the accesses you need from them. Well, for example, if I have an email marketing agency, I want to get their logo. I want to get their any images and raw files that I can use, their brand strategy. These are the elements that I need so I can make better emails for them. I also want to set expectations with them, right? Let them know that the results don't happen overnight, but once they do start coming in, we're going to always optimize and improve it. Bucket number 4 is work. Now you have the skill you want to choose, your methods of reaching and closing the clients, how to onboard them and set them up with you. Now it's time for the most important part. It's to actually work and fulfill what you were selling them. So whatever skill you chose, create systems, a step-by-step process for all the work you need to do to get them the results. Create checklists of what you need to do to deliver the results, and write out the tasks you need to do for whatever the specific skill is. For example, right, that sounds a little confusing. Let's break it down. For the community agencies, what are the actual tasks it will take to deliver the specific outcome that you sold them, right? And this is what you got to implement for every single sub offer you created on step 1, right? We always want to over deliver, right? And under promise a little bit, right? Create great products and create great experiences. Once you get them the amazing results, you'll be able to raise your prices, get referrals from these guys, get testimonials from these clients, and continuously scale and optimize and improve your results. Now, last but not least is our bucket number 5. It's our reporting and our optimization. The objective here is simple. We want to show them after 30 days how amazing the results were, how we're going to be improving in the next 30 days, and we want to ask them for a referral. It's really that easy. And ladies and gentlemen, that wraps up the whole video. This has literally been a step-by-step guide on how to start an agency that goes from 0 to 10K a month as a complete beginner. So if you do these things properly, you'll never have to worry about where your next dollar comes from. And if you enjoyed the content and want more, make sure you like the video and subscribe if you got some value. It takes 2 seconds, guys, to scroll down. It helps out tremendously. Hey, don't leave right now. I have a few gifts for you. I created an 1.5-hour workshop on everything that I described in this video, but way more in depth. It's in the link in the description below. It's an absolutely free workshop. Go ahead and check it out. And if you want to take your knowledge to the next level and really learn what you need to scale an agency, create one, master the skills that you specifically need, then feel free to check out the utopia.io. We have thousands of in-depth articles, strategies, and secrets for agency owners, for people who want to make their first dollar online. Every step of the way to make your first dollar online to get to 10K a month is inside of the Utopia. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is basically it. Thank you so much, and I'm out.